Welcome back to Poor Man's Printing. Today we're going to talk about doing 3 colors on the China press. Dude, you're really annoying. Why don't you go find a job or find something to do? Do something. Fine, I will. Anyway, today we're going to talk about doing 3 colors on the China press, and I got a new printer. Not the fanciest, but anyway, roll that B footage.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around, wow. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done?
You don't like this camera.
This is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah. It's like I'm stuck in this misty cloud.
Alright guys, this is take 2. The first attempt was a failure, and I'll show you some clips of that right after this. Nothing went right. I was off maybe a couple strokes with the underbase, but I figured out a different way to do it, and I worked on the press some more. I leveled everything up. I put screens on all 4 of the arms and made sure everything was leveled up. The off contact is good. Everything is good now. I made a little template to help me line up my film because I don't have a whole lot of play with the China press. It's, you stick it in there and that's where it's going to be. If you ain't got everything at least close, well then I'm going to say 1/4 inch, you're pushing it. 1/4 inch. If it's not lined up within 1/4 inch, you're going to have some problems, especially when you clamp it down and lift your screen up and you're missing 1/4 inch of that meat of that screen, and then the screen starts moving on you. But I'm gonna show you what I got and what I did. I redid all the screens. The mulching, I'm probably about to pull it out 4 hours early. I hope it don't wash out. 4 hours early from a 24-hour window. We'll see. I'm tired of waiting. 24 hours is a long time to wait, man. I need me one of them drying boxes or something. Okay, guys. So I've already printed out 3 films. We're gonna do a white underbase and 2 colors. Here's what I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got right here. So this is what I have. This Poor Man Printing. There's our white underbase right here with a 2 pixel stroke. Then this color here is going to be red, and then the P and the G is going to be blue or whatever color I've decided to do. It's nothing really fancy. It's just a 2 color with an underbase. Made everything in Photoshop. Tried Illustrator. Illustrator is, whew, I'm gonna need some lessons on that shit. But Photoshop, man, it was pretty simple. I mean, you can look. And that Canon printer, it's not playing around. See if I can get it to zoom. Look how thick it is. Man, it's not bad. So the first thing we got to do is coat some screens. So let's get to it. Okay, everything's lined up. I really need to make a stationery for this template so I can use it over and over, and maybe put boards here so I don't have to worry about lining everything up every time. But everything in the whole damn world's closed down, so I can't really go get stuff. Anyway, let's burn it. All 3 burned. Got my underbase, my red, and my blue. So we're gonna see later on after it dries if I did it right. I lined this template up with my underbase. I'm like, okay, got it centered up, perfect. Went to put the second screen in, which would be my red. And well, as you can see, I'm like, where did I screw up at? So I come over here and look. Okay, you see that little arrow which is pointing to this dotted line right here? That's what I'm supposed to line everything up on. When I line this up, look at the arrow right here. Where's my registration? On the next line down. Son of a bitch. Let's try it, guys. So I have transfer. This bastard's falling apart. Oh, got complications. Got complications, guys. Some of them come home and wants to cook French fries in a deep fryer and throws the break. So I pulled the wipe. It's off. I pushed the wipe. Now let's see if it works out. And the damn breaker kept tripping. Stupid flat. Somebody's in here cooking shit with the damn fryer. That's pretty cool though. Kinda like that. It's kinda cool. But that ain't what I was going for. Let's see what the blue looks like with it. Hey guys. I'm off. As you can see, looks like a RBG color or something. It made a cool effect, but other than that, that wasn't what I was going for. So, back to the drawing board.
24 hours later.
Right here is what I made with Photoshop. Just some lines, just throw some lines in there. I didn't even measure it, I just went by it, you know, anything close. I put my shirt on there. The collar will be about right here. And then you got 4 fingers back. So I put my registration marks. I'm gonna line it up on 2. And this should work good when I come down. Everything's been fixed. I'm using the whole other side because the other side of the press is all jacked up. So that's one of my problems. This one, I didn't jack it up. I went nice and easy. I put cardboard in there to help with tightening the bolts so I didn't mess up any of the little cheap tubing I got. Everything is level. I mean, it's perfect. So let's get down to it and see what we can do. I don't give up. Okay guys, first thing you gotta do is add a little bit of tape. So we stick our screen on it, we grab it from the pallet. Doing 4 corners, just to make sure I don't miss it. Okay. Now I'm going to line everything up on the 2 mark. And I'm actually going to push it just a hair in. So when I put my screen in, I got some play to come out because I'm going to push the screen all the way to the back bolts and I won't play out. I don't want play in. Alright, we'll put our screen in there. And it really doesn't matter, but like I said, everything kind of needs to be close. 5 1/16. That's close enough. Screen up, bring it down. Should grab it. Beautiful. Now we're in there. Now I got to measure it and put the other 2 the same exact way. Now all I'm going to do is measure my registration. That's good. Alright, that's it. That's it. Right there. If I'm right. Washing out pretty good. So I didn't wait the whole 24 hours. So that's good. I waited, what was it, 5 hours? Yeah. 6 hours. 6 hours early. Alright guys. We got that done. Looks all good on paper until you actually put it in the field and see what it really is. Anyway, let's wait for them bad boys to dry up. Slight problem here. Let me show you. So I've been lining everything up on line 2, right? And I didn't have no room to go back. So I'm like, what the hell? So what I did was loosen these bolts here and here. This one and this one and this one and that one for the bearings. And when I did that, it slid all the way back. It slid back enough where I can adjust it now. So all I gotta do is just come back this way. So tighten everything up and move on. That's stripped. I don't know why, but it's stripped. Son of a bitch. Come on. Alright. Guys, I also take this cardboard here and I stick it under here. It just kind of helps with the lining up. It doesn't move as much to me when I do this. Aggravating bitch. Just one little tiny tap. I believe we got our set. Let's ink up and try it. Well, fuck it. Okay, let's try this. Bring on the red. A lot better. Still off. Okay. Alright guys, as you can see, the white underbase is a little off. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to push the white underbase and I'm going to pull the other colors to see if I can get it in line. I don't know. Let's see. One hit wonder. Push the white, pull the red. Dang, still off. I don't know. As you can see, I'm still off. I'm gonna try it one more time and then I'm gonna work on something different. Pull the white. Just don't go hard. That's it. That's it. One hit. Flash. So close. Third pass. Looks like I'm riding over here on the white. Close though. But let me show you something else what you can do. Alright guys, so what I did was I pulled real hard on the red this time. And it made it worse. So maybe I just need to hit the white nice and easy, the red nice and easy, and the blue nice and easy. Let's see what happens. the best print I got. That is the best I can do with it. As you can see, my registrations are off. So now let's try a print flash print and see how that turns out. I wish you damn bird would shut the hell up. Okay. They won't act right. There you go, guys. Print, flash, and print. Registration still off. Wait down. Got me. Oh, I'm done. All right, so why are you behind me?
Being your video.
Right now's not a good time to be around me because of this press.
Well, I mean, if you want to be YouTube famous, I'm going to be YouTube famous.
Okay, let's start your video.
All right, guys. Welcome to Poor Man's Print. There you go. You can use that for your intro.
And the damn ice cream truck is playing down the road. Yeah, I've tried my best to do it. And as you can see, it come out okay with a 3-stroke, a 3. And it looks, I'm losing detail on it with a 3, so I don't know. I can print, flash, print, that works. But the white underbase, I can't get all 3 on the lineup. I've tried everything, even when I lined it all up with my template and I swung it around to the next screen, and checked it again. It'd still be off. It'd be off by like a 30-second or so, but it'd be off. I don't know. Leave comments. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong. If it's the press, is it me? I don't know. I wish every video that come out could be awesome, but it ain't. I plan on it being awesome every time, but it isn't. It's a shit show. So time to go edit all this and put it together. Peace out.